What are the best side hustles to pursue right now? As you can tell, I won't be pursuing graphic design anytime soon, as I'm not very good at graphics. But on that note, when it comes to side hustles, I want you to find something that has a clear path to profit. So the first thing I'm going to recommend, we're not going to waste any time here, is number one, deliver stuff. I get it. You want to become a millionaire, you want to become a billionaire, you want to start the next Facebook, that's cool, but you need cash. If you're out of work, or if you're looking for extra money to pay down debt or to save up, start delivering stuff. When I first wrote about making money in quarantine, this was the one side also that most people gravitated towards because it's the easiest. You can do it anywhere. You can deliver food. There's Uber Eats, DoorDash, Foodora. Oh my god! I have on my phone. I got so many different apps. So if you start delivering food, that's instant access to cash. You can obviously drive, and I live in Toronto, and people do it on foot. They do it on bike. So there's like Olympic athletes that are delivering food just to get exercise in. There's groceries, delivering groceries. I got my buddy Joe was making good money from that. And then booze. People are drinking like never before, and I know this is a very serious issue. That's a different topic for a different day. My buddy Matt started delivering booze, and he says it's busy non-stop, especially as there's more and more restrictions. People are just drinking at home, ordering booze, and he told me it's really good money if you want instant access to cash. Like, there's no barrier to entry. You just have to be willing to do the work. And of course, you follow all safety protocols, but there's money to be made. Consider delivering food, booze, or groceries, or anything, any kind of delivery work. Number two, the second best side hustle to start right now in quarantine or in lockdown is free cheese. I forgot to spell even though never mind my graphic skills. I forgot to spell. It's freelance work, any kind of freelance work. So this could be anything from editing videos, editing photos. Like this video is being done on my brother's brand new camera. He's a barber, which that's his freelance trade is barbering. Is that the word, barbering? But obviously barbering got tough because there's so many lockdowns and he couldn't be a barber. So he bought a camera and then he bought software. Now he's editing videos, editing photos. I mean, the world hasn't stopped. I mean, a lot of jobs have stopped, unfortunately, but there's still room for freelance work. There's Odesk, there's Upwork.com, Freelance.com, Freelancer, People Per Hour. It's all included in the comments. There's so many different sites. And you can either bid for jobs or offer your services. You can also go on Fiverr. Fiverr's a big one. It's not just for $5 jobs. And I got a guy that makes all the graphics for my channel because I can't do that. If you have any graphic skills or any editing skills or you want to edit work or so you can do small tasks as a virtual assistant, like responding to emails, customer service. There's so many sites that offer a chance to make money. And if you don't have the skills, I mean, what else do you got to do? Learn the skills. No one's made good at graphics. I'm clearly not. But you can learn. I mean, I couldn't learn the job, but you can learn how to edit videos or do stuff. Take the time, take the weekend, and immerse yourself in it. Read 5 books on the topic. Watch the best on YouTube, TikTok, and then try to learn how to do it and offer it as a trade or a service. And you can be a freelancer. Number 3, I got my little cheat sheet here, is social media. Look, there's no way around this. The whole world is on social media. You're watching this on social media. I know there was a documentary that came out about how social media is bad for you. It was the social dilemma. That didn't change anything. People are still scrolling. People are online all day, every day. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, Parler, whatever it's called. There's new apps coming out all the time. So there's 2 different ways to attack this. One is you can be a social media manager, and I got some. I've been writing about this. It's in the comments. This kind of work pays at least $25 per hour. That's the average. So that could be anything from managing a page for a local business, or just finding a social media manager job online. A lot of places, like all these freelance sites, are looking for social media managers, and that's why you should be good at social media. And also, like small businesses right now, they need help. So if you can show a business how you can manage your social media and make the money, you can create a job for yourself. Because every business has to be on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, you're losing out on money. So if you know how to use Instagram or YouTube or Twitter or Facebook, you can offer your services obviously for money and get paid to be a social media manager. And you can also use social media right now as a side hustle by creating your own content. Like this is a social media platform. You can start a YouTube channel, start an Instagram. I'm everywhere. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and then you can get paid to do that. You can, obviously you can promote your social media services, or you can simply just try to sell advertising space, sell your own products, or just, anything you can think of. That's why I always promote using social media and learning how to use it. Because, every day new tricks, new tools are coming out. It's your job to stay on top of that, and then you can use that to make more money. So get on social media, figure out how to use it, and make some money. And then number 4, let's do red, Christmas colors here, guys, is Etsy. We have another video on this in this channel, so I won't get too into that at this point. But you can sell crafts, obviously, if you're artistic. But you can also sell digital printables. So like it's a printable. It's Cody went into detail in that video. I won't go over it again. But you can make these little gimmicks like see it over there. You can put it over there. You can write something like courage over comfort, or write some motivational stuff, and then sell that as printables, or those vision boards and stuff. So I know it sounds corny, but people want printables, and if you sell them for $1 a piece, you upload the file, or a couple bucks a piece, you're making money in your sleep, right? You can make like little games and all kinds of different things. Just look into it. I'm not good at describing anything artistic, as you can tell, but that could tie into all these previous points, because then you use social media to promote your Etsy shop or your Etsy crafts, and you build your Instagram, and then both are making money for each other. Or you can become a freelancer and make Etsy printables for other people. You see what I'm saying? Does this all make sense? It all kind of ties in. So if you're bored at home, you can use this time to try to make things, create content, create printables, create graphics. And I promise you, it won't be a waste of time. There's so many tools, so many resources for you to make money. I want you to get paid. Good luck, and let us know in the comments how you're going to make some extra money.